Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Dark Rock 5 new air cooler from Be Quiet with 210 watts thermal design power. And of course we need thermal grease. I have the DC2 and the DC2 Pro liquid metal thermal grease for extremely high cooling. I would like to test that. So let's open the box to find out about the CPU cooling performance. Screwdriver, I like that. Be quiet. Nice. Accessories for installation, AMD and Intel. Thermal grease, and we have in the manual Silent Wings 4 120mm PWM fan with 25mm thickness at its maximum speed of 2100 RPM. The noise level is only 29 decibel. And there's the cooler. Black coating with ceramic particles not only gives the air cooler an optical highlight, it enables perfect heat transfer. Aluminium heatsink, I like that. Wow, magnetic mesh top cover hides the heat pipe's ends. At the corner we have these soft pads. Wow! Be quiet. I like the black color. The base plate is nickel plated and therefore compatible with liquid metal thermal grease. There it is, allowing high-end CPUs to perform at an even higher level with a Dark Rock 5. All around, no sharp edges that could cause injury, I like that. The mounting bridge and screws are already attached to the base, so there are fewer parts to misplace. High RAM and VRM cooler compatibility thanks to an asymmetrical design and cuts out on the heatsink. No worries, it will fit at any motherboard. So let's move on and install it to my PC and see how it looks, how it's performing. The DC2 thermal grease is highly reliable and will work with upcoming PC generations. There is enough for 9 applications on average, making DC2 a long-lasting match with current and next-gen CPUs. Provides a fast heat transfer between the chip and the cooler at wide temperature range from -20 to +120 Celsius. The DC2 Pro offers cooling power beyond belief. The characteristics of liquid metal allow the thermal grease to cool high-end CPUs and GPUs even at their limits. Fast heat transfer between chip and cooler at a wide temperature range from 20 to 200 Celsius. It is only for use with nickel-plated coolers. 1 gram of content is enough for up to 10 applications. 2 cotton swabs in the scope of delivery make for an easy and clean application on the CPU. The alcohol pads that comes with a DC2 Pro allow the user to purge the CPU thoroughly without residues. I have chosen to use the liquid metal grease. Remove the cover and carefully insert the needle to extract the liquid metal. Apply a small drop to the CPU and spread evenly with a cotton swab. The liquid metal is difficult to spread, it will be all over the surface after installing the CPU cooler. I need to change the position of the Intel mounting brackets because I had previously installed the pure loop tube from BrickWired. By the way, you can check out the video of all the BrickWired PC parts along with the PC build below in the description of the BrickWired playlist. Perfect, now let's install the cooler. Remove the sticker. And now I can use the long magnetic screwdriver that BrickWired provides. It is very helpful and makes all the work quicker. And of course you have to install the fan 120mm with these two metal brackets. It only takes a few seconds. The noise is very low, it works in the lowest RPM, so it's very pleasant. The CPU is the Intel 13900K is overclocked. At the moment we can see the temperature without load. Starting the stress test, we can now listen to the fan at maximum speed. Again, I think the noise is very good. The other fans from the PC case are at the lowest RPM. Because the system is overclocked, the temperature rises, but the whole system is very stable. 10 minutes of testing didn't show any stability problems. When the PC fans are turned on in automatic mode, they increasing their speed to 100%, then we have better cooling performance throughout the system. This high performance cooler is an excellent choice for anyone looking to keep their system cool and quiet. Impressive features of the Dark Rock 5, including its exceptional cooling performance thanks to the advanced Silent Wings fan, that even the most demanding CPUs stay cool under load, all while maintaining whisper quiet operation. The premium build quality with its sleek black finish and robust construction, the ease of installation and the versatile mounting system makes it compatible with a wide range of sockets, providing flexibility for different builds. The BrickWired Dark Rock 5 is not just about performance but also about aesthetics. Its elegant design complements any high-end gaming or workstation setup, adding a touch of sophistication to your build. If you are in the market for a top-tier CPU cooler that offers a perfect balance of cooling efficiency and noise reduction, the BrickWired Dark Rock 5 has just been released at the market and is waiting to cool you down. It's a fantastic choice. Its advanced technology and stylish design makes it a standout option for any PC enthusiast. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech reviews and build tips. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with the Dark Rock 5, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Be quiet.